Good morning from Hong Kong. I'm very excited to be here and even more excited to travel to mainland China today. So the first hotel I had was here in Hong Kong and it was a one-star hotel. So I'll show you the footage of it now. So this is what 30 bucks gets you in Hong Kong. Check it out. So we got 2 beds, some slippers, a bathroom. The only problem is that the shower head is on top of the toilet, which makes things difficult. We got a fridge, and here is the view. Not great. So yeah, it's fine if you don't bother the ants that are crawling around here. So yeah, not too bad. So one of the problems is that the elevator takes about 3 minutes to get up to my floor. So yeah, that's a bummer. So yeah, not too shabby. A lot of ants crawling around, but otherwise pretty good actually. So yeah, so now we are headed to Shenzhen, which is one of the most populated cities in China. So that will be exciting. Let's go. So as you can see, in Hong Kong the buildings are very densely built, very close to each other, and that's because there's not much space to build in Hong Kong, and there's many millions of people living here. So yeah, that's the reason. Even my hotel was on top of a market, so everything is very densely built. So this is my first time in Hong Kong, and it will also be my first time in the mainland China. So hopefully everything goes smoothly. My Chinese or Mandarin isn't great, so hopefully I can still speak to people and yeah, have nice conversations with the locals. We are going to take a train to Shenzhen, and it should be about 20 minutes. So hopefully we are able to buy a ticket, and yeah, hopefully everything goes smoothly. Let's go. Let's go see if we can get a little workout in here. 你好. See if we can work this thing out. Can I see some pictures? Thank you. Oh wow, so they actually look real.
Yeah.
Like real cars. That's cool. So is that like a Porsche?
Yes.
Porsche, yeah. Do you guys do this for a hobby or?
My hobby.
Hobby, yeah. Well, nice to meet you guys. Bye bye. You can't escape the US politics in Hong Kong either. Well, we found the station, so now to buy the ticket. It's a big station. And like I said, the train should take about 20 minutes, so it's a high-speed train. Well, we are finally in mainland China, in Shenzhen to be exact. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit worried when the lady at the ticket counter in Hong Kong told me that I needed a visa to get into Shenzhen. So she told me that I would be kicked out by immigration if I didn't have a visa and be sent back to Hong Kong. But thankfully that wasn't the case, and everything went smoothly. Well, almost smoothly. I missed the first train because of the immigration taking so long, but I got on the next one and now we are here. So now to just find our hotel. Let's go. We finally found our hotel, so now let's go check out the room. So it should be 1019. Here we go. So this is what you get for 50 bucks in Shenzhen, China. Let's check it out. A 5-star hotel room. Bathroom looks really nice, clean. And here is where the magic happens. So basically, sleeping for me. Don't want to upset the missus back home. And here is the view. Not the best view, but still pretty nice. So yeah, so for about 50 bucks, this is what you get in Shenzhen, China.